Alright, this one just has to solve the equation. And of course it's got these three fractions, so we want to get rid of these fractions as our first step. So here's the problem rewritten with just a little bit more room to work. So we have 18, 9, and 2. Those are the denominators. So we want to multiply everything on both sides by 18. So this is how it'll look. On the left side we have 18 times that first big fraction. On the right side we have 18 times both of these terms. But notice how the 18 is just going to distribute through, so we're going to have 18 times the 1/9 and also 18 times the second fraction. So we can just rewrite it so that it looks like this. The left side hasn't changed, but the right side has 18 times this term plus 18 times that term. And I wrote these as fractions. In fact, I should write this one as a fraction as well, because we're dealing with fractions here. Now on the left side, the 18 cancels. So we have x plus 3 is equal to, now over here on the right side, 9 goes into 18 two times. So we have 2 plus, and then we also have this, 2 goes into 18 9 times, but that 9 still has to distribute through the parentheses. So that's going to give us 9x minus 9 times 6 is 54. So now that the fractions are gone, this thing doesn't look quite so scary. We can combine like terms on the right side. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 2 minus 54 is a negative 52 plus 9x. We've got x's on both sides, but we've got more x's on the right, so let's move this one over to the right. So subtract x from both sides, and we end up with 3 is equal to negative 52 plus 8x, and then we add 52 to both sides, and we get 55 is equal to 8x, and we divide both sides by 8, and if we divide both sides by 8 we get 55 over 8 is equal to x. So that's the solution.